everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Today I'm going to be participating in a challenge issued by Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. She is posting a challenge on what's in my cleaning caddy. So that's what I'm going to show you. Stay tuned. Here is my kitchen cleaning caddy. I keep separate caddies in each of the major zones in my house that I clean on a regular basis. I don't like cleaning, and to me it's easier just to keep additional cleaning product in the areas I need to clean the most frequently. That way it seems less of a chore having to tote things around with me from room to room. So I keep this in my kitchen all the time, and when I need to clean my kitchen, laundry room, and other areas downstairs, I take the items from this basket. I don't have a handle on it, like I said, because I don't carry it around. I just do zone cleaning, so I usually only need one product at a time. So let's jump in and see what I have in here. This first bottle here, you can see it's clear. Got this a long time ago. I used to use it to put spray and wash type of spray in, but I recently started using it to make a Dawn vinegar water solution to do general purpose cleaning in the kitchen. I use it primarily for my sinks and my stove and the outside of some of my appliances. I do not use it on my counters here. You can probably see I have granite counters, and so I use a special granite cleaner for those, which is the next thing in my caddy. So I have recently switched to using this Method Daily Granite Cleaner. I really like it. It does clean and polish at the same time, but it doesn't seem to leave a residue on my counter. I used to use a different brand. It wasn't liquid gold, but it was something kind of like that, and it seemed to always leave a kind of oily residue on my counters, which I didn't like. So I do really like this Method cleaner. This is a little spray bottle that came in a cosmetic travel case that I don't really use because I have little travel size aerosol sprays. So I repurposed it and I made some homemade stainless cleaner out of this. This is basically rubbing alcohol and distilled water, and I used this to clean the stainless steel appliances that I have. It really, with a microfiber cloth, it really takes a lot of the streaking off. The other thing that I use this for is for disinfecting door and cabinet handles because it has the alcohol in it. I just spritz it on and it dries very quickly and disinfects any germs that might be on there. Oh, also like light switches, you can use it on there. I do have some Clorox wipes. I primarily use these when I've got a really big mess that I don't want to use a cloth for to wipe up, and I will wipe like the handles of my sink faucet and things like that, but I haven't been using these as much lately in the kitchen. Then I have some lavender and chamomile. It says it's calming pillow spray, but I actually put some of this into the Dawn vinegar mixture to try to help cut some of the vinegar smell. Doesn't seem to work all that well, so I may repurpose this and take it up in my bedroom, as I haven't really noticed it making much of a difference in the spray. And then this isn't really cleaning, but my refill for my jet dry for my dishwasher is in this basket. And then I have this glass cleaner. It's from Costco, and I use this on all my glass and mirrors. This was recommended by a glass installer who installed some mirrors for us on some walls in our downstairs wet bar area, and he said don't use Windex on mirrors, that it really can eat away at the mirror and the silvering on the back of them, and he recommended this as a really good cleaner, and it does do a great job. So if you're not wanting to use a vinegar and water spray on your windows and mirrors, this really does do a great job. And I also use this on my sink. When I'm done cleaning my sink, I spray this onto it, and it provides somewhat of a protective barrier and makes my sink shinier. And then I have some Lysol disinfecting spray. I really only use this to spray into our kitchen trash can to try to keep down germs in there. I don't use it for anything else. And then I have this Method Gel hand wash refill. I will show you why I have this. I don't actually have a Method bottle, but I do have a little dispenser on my sink. So hold on just a second and I'll show you what it looks like. So here's the soap dispenser that I have on my sink. It actually sits over the air gap for the dishwasher. You'll notice these vents here. And so the bottom half of it sits over the air gap, and then up to about here down is where the soap reservoir is. So here's the last item I have in my cleaning caddy. It's this Febreze Air Effects. I don't use this that much. The only time I do tend to use it is if for some reason somebody's put something in the trash I wasn't aware of and it sits there and it becomes kind of smelly. So I will spray this into the cabinet where my trash can is kept. And that's it. So you can see my kitchen cleaning caddy is empty. While I have it empty, I am going to take this opportunity to clean out the inside because it has gotten kind of dirty. And then the next thing I'll show you is one of my bathroom caddies. So here's one of my bathroom cleaning caddies. I essentially have the same items in all of my bathrooms, so I'm not going to show you all of them, but essentially I keep duplicates of these items in my bathroom so I don't have to tote this around. Now you notice this one is a tote. I used to use one tote and that's this, but that's when after doing that for a while, I decided I didn't like the inconvenience of having to go run up and down the stairs with it every time I wanted to clean something upstairs. So this one I keep in my downstairs bathroom. So I have that same glass cleaner here. I use it for the mirrors in my guest bathroom as well as the shower door, which is right here, and then my door to the outside. This bathroom has one. And the glass here, I use it on there. And then I have these little tools. They're little brushes. I used to use a toothbrush, but I found that they're making toothbrushes softer these days. So I bit the bullet and I bought a set of these little brushes off of Amazon to scrub in the drain areas around the drain and then around the base of the faucets. So I have a set for the kitchen. It wasn't my clean caddy because I actually have some pull-out drawers in the front of my sink. I'll show you a little bit later. So I keep these in there, but I have a set for every bathroom. And then I do have some antibacterial spray. This says it's kitchen cleaner. This used to be in my kitchen. I moved it in here to try to use it up more and use this to clean the outside of the toilet. I have a little piece of magic eraser. I cut them into smaller pieces, and I usually don't need to use this very much, but sometimes I'll need to use it on the walls around where the light switches are. So I just cut a little piece and keep it in here. And then I have some sponges. These are the walnut sponges. I got them mainly because they match the colors that I have in my bathroom, which are a dark taupe and white. So that's the front part of the caddy. Whoa, sorry for that noise. Put these things back in the front. I'll turn the caddy around. So these don't fit very well in here. I do have some Lysol wipes if I want to just quickly clean without having to get out microfiber cloth or something like that. And then I have some toilet bowl cleaner. And then I have some room spray. This is pumpkin bread. Just in case I need to make the room smell fresh. So that's what I keep in pretty much every bathroom. So as I mentioned when I was in the bathroom, showing you the bathroom caddy, I don't keep brushes for the drains and around the bases of the faucet in my cleaning caddy in my kitchen. When my husband and I remodeled our kitchen, I got the types of drawer fronts that tilt out. So in this side, I keep a sponge. This is a heavy-duty scrubber. And then I have a vegetable brush. And then I have a little scraper. And then I have that same set of brush tools. So that's that side. Oh, and here's a good tip. If you have similar type of drawers, I save the silica packets that you get in different things, and I put it in the bottom of this drawer, and this green stuff is part of the scrubby that's coming off down there. So I have to clean that out periodically because it sheds. But I keep it where I put the sponge. I normally let the sponge dry out pretty well before I put it into the drawer, but this really helps keep down the moisture from having the sponge in there. So I'd like to thank Kimberly Davis of Diva Designing on a Dime for issuing this challenge. I hope you enjoyed seeing what's in my cleaning caddy. Please check out the link below to the playlist that she's going to issue, it may not be active when I first post this, but I will add the link at the point that she does post it on the playlist. And I hope you'll check out her channel as well as the channels of the other people participating in this challenge. Thank you for joining me today, and if you like this sort of video, cleaning, decluttering, hauls, decorating, I hope you'll consider subscribing to my channel and clicking the notification bell so that you'll get notified every time I post a new video. I'm going to try to post several times a week. My primary posting day for tablescapes will be Tablescape Tuesday. So please come back and join me later for some fun tablescapes for the seasons. Thanks.